Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add welcome bot to Discord. So first you just have to go to your app directory and then here you have to search for ProBot and then tap search. Now you will see here some options, but you have to click the very first here, this one. Remember that. So tap. And then after that, what you're going to do next is to add this app to your server. So click this one right here. Now, if ever you encounter some problems, then you can click this copy link and then paste it to any web browser. Okay, so after that, you can now visit site. And then you have to authorize this ProBot to have access to your Discord. So usually, they will ask you to log in again if you are directed to a browser. Now you have to select that server here, and then after that, scroll down and then tap authorize and wait. And you have to select here, like, wait, are you human? You have to confirm that you are 100% human and not a robot. So you have to select the image according to what they ask. Now, here you have to scroll down and click this welcome and goodbye. Now you have to toggle on the send a message when a user joins the server. So everything is up to you. For example, good day, everybody. Welcome to my server or welcome to my club or community whatsoever. After that, you have to click this and make sure that you are in the exact server. Okay, name the server and then save changes. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. You're going to go back to your server and then here I'm going to add my friend and let's see what will be the welcome message that will appear to his or her message box. Okay, so I'm gonna add a friend here. So let me invite someone and then send this friend request. So once my friend accepted this or joined to my server, then probably he or she will see this welcome message. Good day, everybody. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.